So hey guys, the new bike that we have is called Firefox Voya, जो कि बहुत पॉपुलर है, जो कि बहुत पॉपुलर बाइक है amongst both the beginners as well as the grown-ups who wants to get into fitness cycle. So this hybrid bike, or also known as the urban bike, is pretty solid and well made. The weight of this bike is extremely light and the ride comfort of this bike is pretty decent. Now at the bot you have a single speed free wheel and a single speed crankset, and the pedals are made up of plastic. These pedals are made up of plastic, so which are pretty standard. The tires that you have in the bike is 700C, mounted on the alloy rim, and you get a straight handlebar, straight handlebar, and a longer stem, which is going to give you a pretty nice riding posture and a decent riding comfort. The braking power is provided by V brakes. These are the V brakes, which are pretty standard in this price range. And in the urban bikes, you don't need that much stopping power while you and riding in city roads and in urban terrain. And now there is a quick release here in the seat post, so you can adjust the seat height pretty easily. And all in all, this is a pretty decent beginner bike that you can get in a pretty good price range of 12k to 17k. This bike has many features that are quite difficult to find in this bike range. The frame, this is a frame of 18 inches, 18 inches frame. The handlebar, as you can see, this handlebar, and the super ultra light alloy seat, and it has a 18-inch frame, um, super strong frame that helps to ride on those rough road. The braking is quite smooth. These brakings are quite smooth. I have used them in many conditions like rough roads or tough areas and in the downhill. They are very well in all the conditions. This saddle is good for short rides, but for long rides you have to use a seat cover or a good pair of cycling shorts. And not lock on grips. The headset that you get on this bike is from Nico. The stem is longer with 4 bolt in the front. The handlebar is a little bit like rise to make it even better. So this is how the bike looks like. So if you want to get into cycling, do some fitness rides, then definitely you can go for this bike. The price of this bike is currently 13,800. All the details for the website where you can get the bike will be in the description, so that if you are from Mumbai or Pune and you want to have this bike, then definitely you can contact them and grab one for yourself.